Good morning, everybody. Doing the third video on the concrete wall pour out here. Just kind of wanted to review the progress of the last day. So what you're seeing here is a reinforcement over the bathroom window. So we've got 2 sticks of rebar here, 2 on each side at an angle, and a wedge, and about 29 inches of concrete above the window. Here you can see they board formed up, so the aluminum forms are 9 foot, and then they have these clips that you can kind of see right there that snap on the forms, and they nail it, and then they use a tie across on top, so it's good and stable. They squared up, and I say squared, they aligned all the forms here. I'll go down here and show you, but you can kind of get a view from up here before I move. 30 by 50, 10 foot tall, and I'd estimate they have about 100 man hours in it, which is pretty impressive to get all this done with that. So you kind of see down in here, I'll get some good video, and then I'll get one. So yeah, don't drop your phone in there. Got the 2 sleeves for the utilities there, so water line and power there. But they took a string, strung it all up, used the bracing, aligned it, leveled it, and the footer is disappointingly out of level. Maybe that's typical, but the contractor here shimmed everything up and got it level. Now I'm gonna go down low here and show you what I've got. So I've got 2 footer drains that are down in the foot. There's my tracer wire for the water line that I need to get before we backfill, but I'll extend these up so they're clean out. So then they're gonna put what's called Marflex waterproofing. I'll get a video of that, and I'll put another drain pipe here, so I'll have a double system. And then I'm likely just gonna spend the money on the rock, even though it's gone up 25% over last year, just to have the insurance, because that's the number one failure out here is this wall leak. But again, I'm taking a lot of precautions here, so I'll put the drain, the rock, the waterproofing, and then I'm gonna grade this back so that and gutter it so there won't be water coming in here, and I'll run that over the hill there. So I'll just do a walk around for this. Again, you can see the foot that's been board formed up there, as they would call it. Using double rebar here to stake everything, even brace the little wall here. But they just have so many panels. They told me they could put it where I wanted it, and they sure did. We got to get the beam pockets done up here, so I'll have a LVL beam across this, and we'll figure out on the budget how we're going to put windows and doors here to have, I'll say, the main living room. They've got on the bottom here, they've drilled and just used rebar, I assume, to take it out quickly, which is a pretty good idea. Kind of leaves a hole I'm not real wild about, but it probably doesn't matter. But lots of shimming here to get it level. So, you know, they put that extra work in that really the footing contractor should have done a better job with, and I'm kind of glad that I've moved on, so to say, from him. We got the walkway up here. We've got some lateral bracing in a couple spots, different places. Looks like where they have, I'll say, smaller filler panels, they're doing that. So you can see right here, they've got a 4-inch panel, and that's just to get the exact dimension I'd asked for. Anyway, so we're gonna pour Monday is the plan. They beat the rain. They said it would be 3 to 4 hours to pour it, and then 3 to 4 hours they'll have all this stripped off and loaded up and gone. So like I said, my estimate is they've got about 100 man hours in it. They had to pay, that doesn't include the travel in that as well. Let me get back to the wall here, and we'll go ahead and close the video out. There's that's a footing drain there that you can't see, comes through there, but this is kind of the back view here. Okay.